Today, I suddenly had a strong craving to eat fish fry. So I went to the market early in the morning and brought 1 kg of silverfish and 1 kg of butai fish to try out. Frying fish is easy, but cleaning it is very difficult. By the time I finished that work, I was completely exhausted. I washed the fish and got it ready for frying. First, in a bowl, I added 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 3 spoons of chili powder, a little salt to taste, and 1 spoon of pepper powder as required. Then you can add any fish fry powder of your choice. Half lemon juice and some curry leaves chopped into small pieces. I added some water and mixed everything well. You can add much powder as you like. I felt the masala was bit less, so I added some more and mixed it again. It was the time to add the fish. I added the well-washed fish to the masala and mixed it properly so that the masala coated the fish evenly. After mixing, the fish should be kept for marination half an hour to 1 hour. Here I kept it for half an hour. After that, I heated a pan with some oil, dipped the marinated fish in rava and fried it in oil. If you don't like rava, you can skip that step. Once the fish is fried well in oil and taken out onto a plate, the tasty and delicious fish fry is ready. I am feeling very hungry now, so I am going to eat. Bye bye.